This video will describe the basic nutritional requirements of plants. Plants need 3 things to survive: light, water, and 20 essential elements. With these things, plants may not be able to thrive, but they do have the ability to survive. To determine if an element is essential, there are 3 questions that must be asked. The first question is, can the plant complete its life cycle without the element? If the plant cannot complete its life cycle without the element, then the element is essential. Can another element perform the same function of this element? If not, the element is essential. Is the element directly involved in plant nutrition? If so, the element is essential. Essential elements are broken down into macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are needed in larger amounts than micronutrients. Micronutrients are also known as trace elements and are needed in very small amounts. Macronutrients required by plants are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. Carbon is one of 2 elements that must be present for a molecule to be organic. Carbon is necessary to form macromolecules including carbohydrates, proteins, nucleic acids, and amino acids. When you remove all of the water from a cell, the dry weight of a cell is roughly 50% carbon. Nitrogen is also a key component in proteins and nucleic acids. Nitrogen is also found in many vitamins. Hydrogen is the second element required for a molecule to be considered organic. Oxygen is also often present in organic molecules. Together, hydrogen and oxygen make up water. Oxygen is also necessary for cellular respiration. Phosphorus is important to forming phosphate groups, which are necessary to make adenosine triphosphate or ATP. ATP is the chemical energy currency of cells. Magnesium is important for photosynthesis and impacts the plant's ion balance. Calcium is necessary to regulate nutrient transport, support enzyme function, and impact the plant's ion balance. Micronutrients required by plants are iron, manganese, boron, molybdenum, copper, zinc, chlorine, nickel, cobalt, sodium, and silicon. This video discussed the necessary nutrients for plants.